Hello guys, I am back with another exciting Louis Vuitton unboxing. As you guys could see, I have two packages here, and these two items that I've got here is actually something. It is something that I could recommend to everybody, for men and women, everybody. I mean, this piece is actually something that this one is available sometimes on the website at the store, so they comes and goes, but right now this piece is available on the website. And yeah, I am so excited for this piece, and I have never been like so excited to share a small leather goods. Guys, I have never been so excited because this piece is absolutely worth your money. It is actually one of the Louis Vuitton pieces that looks and feels luxurious. Absolutely. So anyway, let me show you the first item right here. And are you guys ready? So, okay. Wow. So this is a Louis Vuitton business card holder, and this one is actually made up of a monogram empreinte embossed leather. Beautiful. Look at the texture right here, the embossing, the material that they used is absolutely amazing for this piece. This one is very supple. It looks and it feels luxurious. And this one has a shine to it. Like it's made up of a really high quality leather. It looks very shiny. Okay, so this one is actually came in with the press stud closure right here. And then it's made up of a gold hardware. It says there engraved Louis Vuitton. Oh my gosh, I just so love those embossing right here. It is actually quite deep enough though. Okay, let's open it. This one right here, the one that I've got, is actually made in Spain. Right there with a gold foil because the hardware is in gold. Oh, look at the lovely grain. The grain actually shows right here. And this one is, yeah, as you guys can see right here, the interior is lined with leather. That's awesome. Okay, so there is a foam inside, and then the product information. Okay, so the product information. Oh, actually, they called this the envelope card de visite. Oh, empreinte noir and M58456. That is the product, the SKU number for the item. And this one is retails for $360 US. That's before tax. Okay. What is this? This was in French. Oh, this is the translation. Oh wow, I've actually never seen this before. Exterior vachetta leather, interior vachetta leather. Available. I see. Maybe you just have to scan this and it'll show you the information about the item. I've actually never seen this before. Usually they came in with the other one. So anyway, so this is how it looks when you open it. Look at that, the Louis Vuitton monogram right there. And this one is, oh wow, this one has only one pocket right here in front, and then a large pocket right there at the back. Wow, surprisingly, this one, I thought there is two right here in front, and then one here, and then one in the middle, and then one at the back. Wow. So anyway, so wow, this one is so supple. I just can't get over with it. Okay, let me just close this one first. On the side, this one has a glazing on the side right here, And it seems like it's looking pretty well. It's looking pretty good, actually. This one is made up of one continuous piece of leather right there. See, it is inverted when you turn it like that. So it is a one continuous piece of leather. So this is the first item. The second item is, okay, so the second item is it is another card holder. It is the same. The reason why I got two, that's because the price point, I cannot say no for the price point for this piece for $360 US, and I know I could find a lot of uses on this. I could put my cards, I could use this as a business card, which what is the intent for this card holder. On the website it says business card holder, but it's not necessary. You just have to put your business card holder. But in my case, I will be using this for my business cards and the other one as a wallet. So that's why I got two, and I could not say no to the price point for this piece. I've been eyeing this. It's been on my wish list in such a long time, and of course this is not my priority. But when I heard that there's going to be a price increase, with the rumor that's going on, I was just like, I'm a little bit like gullible in a way that, okay, what shall I do now? I mean, shall I get it or whatever? I started panicking or something. It's because this one is actually priced well for $360 US for a Louis Vuitton made up of leather inside and out. Absolutely amazing. I would definitely gonna recommend this to anybody. So if there could be, if sooner there's gonna be another price increase, I believe this is around maybe at least $400 soon if there's going to be another price increase. So if I were you, this is available on the website right now. As I was checking it. $360 US made up of leather inside and out. Beautiful monogram right here. I would definitely gonna recommend this for men and women. It could be anybody could use this piece. It's a unisex piece. It's such a versatile piece, and well, you could use it as long as, I mean, you could use, of course, this as a wallet. And the same thing the same thing, the one that I got is made in Spain. The same packaging on the inside right here. Card information. Well, I was totally surprised because this one has only one card slot right here on front, because you guys, if you have watched my previous video, I did unbox this piece. It is so impossible to get this piece at the moment. It is so hard, and this one has two card slot here. So this is actually, oh, it is the same, different material, a business card holder. This is front, this is the canvas, and this one has an extra card slot right here. So I don't even know why. So now I'm going to show you what fits on this beauty. So probably you guys are wondering, what are these booklets right here? Those are currencies, my banknotes around the world. I've been collecting banknotes in such a long time, so it's just like a smaller amount though with the banknotes. So I love collecting them, and I have actually selected several banknotes that I could try on this card holder. If you wanted to use this as a card holder, definitely. So here are some of the banknotes. I chose this countries right here because they are the countries that I have the most views on my channel. So if you're gonna put a currency, a dollar, this would fit absolutely right here at the back, just like that. Let me close it. So the US dollars, they're all the same size, so it fits perfectly, but you have to fold it. You have to fold the currency just like that. Maybe if you want to put it right here, but most of the time they put their a driver's license in here. So yeah, so I'm just showing it to you guys that the US currency fits here perfectly. Next, moving on to the next currency, we have something from South Africa. Say shout out to all my viewers in South Africa, and then look at their currency. It's absolutely gorgeous. So let me just fold the currency right here like that. Oh my gosh, I hate folding this money. These are my collection. Yeah, let me close that. It actually closed nicely like that. Maybe you wanted to put it this way as well, but I would suggest this way. Actually folds beautifully. So the South African money fits perfectly. Next we have, wow, we have the Philippine pesos. So shout out to all the Filipinos out there, and it fits perfectly right on the slot right there. Okay, next we have, oh my gosh, this is actually one of my favorites. We have an Australian dollar here, and then look at that. Oh wow, this one actually fits perfectly right there. You have plenty of room left. That's because their currency is smaller compared to the US dollars. Oh, look at how gorgeous this is. Oh gosh, crazy. So next we have the next one. It is a Canadian dollar. Oh my goodness, this is my favorite. It's so lovely. So this is a Canadian dollar, $5. Fits perfectly right there. Very lovely. Just close it with no problem at all. Very nice. And then the last but not the least, it is the euro. So I have 10 euros here, and this one, oh wow, look at that right there. This one actually fits perfectly. The euros, that's because the currency is smaller than the US dollars. This one fits perfectly. Yeah, look at that. Wow, that's amazing. So those are just some of the currency that would fit on this card. I would definitely gonna recommend this for everybody around the world. For those of you are curious of this, if this card holder would fit a banknotes. So there you go, guys. I have shown you some of the currency that I have in my collection. There is a lot more right here on the different countries, but I'm not going to go all through that. It may take forever if I will be taking all those currencies right there and show it to you. So now I have some of the business cards with me. So let me just put the business cards in here. I don't know how many I've put, but this is just for reference use only. So this is how much you could actually fit for a business card holder. So this is my personal business card holders, and I love it. This is a very soft, very supple, very flexible. So I think you could fit a lot more on this, but right now this is how it looks with my business card. Now I have filled this card holder with the actual credit cards that I've been using. So this is how it looks right here, and I have 11 in here. So it actually depends, it varies, because some of my credit cards, especially with this metal right here, this one is so thick and it's heavy, and I think this one is taking a lot of space more than any of my cards. So yeah, so majority of my cards are from American Express, and some other cards here are a little bit like thinner. So yeah, it could fit a lot more actually. And also there is a card slot right here in front where you could put your driver's license. But mind you guys that this one has a gusset right here, the press stud closure right here. And I don't know if this how this one would affect if you put cards in here. I don't know, because when you close it, open it, yeah, it could put pressure in on your cards or anything. So I think it is not smart for you to put the cards right there. I think there's one of my viewers also on my previous video commented on one on the cards as well. She actually left the comment. I forgot her name. Maybe her name is Nina. So hi Nina. I'm just actually going through my memory here. So I think her name is Nina, and I think she told me about you have to be very careful with this one right here, because this actually, you close it, it could damage the card behind it. So that's what she told me. So thank you so much, girl, for the heads up. I have to be very careful with that, not to put those precious cards that I have here. It could be some sort of like a discount card or whatever, if I would put something right here. So but anyway, thank you very much. So this is how it looks with all the cards inside. It fits perfectly. You have no problems taking this out. It's because look at that, so you guys could see. So there is plenty of room. There is plenty of room on this piece. It's not like snug, like when you put your card and right away, so you guys could see right there. So yeah, you don't have problems taking your cards out and putting it back inside. So that is how it looks. So yeah, these are the 2 card holders that I just recently added in my collection. I mean, right now, these are just the pieces that I strongly recommend if you are looking for a card holder. Perfect for gift. It is for men and women. Anybody could use it. Made of a really high quality leather, I should say. And yeah, it's just because of the color and the style of it. It's not like, okay, this is a feminine thing or a masculine thing, but it is really one of the most affordable ever in the luxury fashion houses at the moment. This piece, I would definitely gonna recommend it. And yeah, hurry up, get your piece before they sold out or they had a price increase. So anyway, I hope this video would be helpful and what fits on this beauty right here, from currency to business cards to the actual card holders. And this is priced as $360 US before tax. If you are from a different country, we have, yeah, just convert it in your currency because it always varies. Some in the state right here we pay tax, some they don't pay taxes at all, and some taxes varies a different percentage. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.